Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome to the live stream. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the Moon. It's time to make money again, guys. Super excited about today's live stream. We're going to look at a lot of things. And most importantly, I'm dropping a list of altcoins that I'm aping into because I will admit first, I am absolutely bullish right now. And if you're not bullish on crypto, maybe this is not a video for you because I know a lot of people out there, they're still talking bearish talk. But if I look at all the bells, everything is telling me one thing: bullish. And that's exactly what I am at the moment. Welcome to the live stream. I appreciate you for joining. You already know the rules of the live stream is that the first rule is you destroy the like button. So if you appreciate the live stream, destroy the like button, of course. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. Hey guys, I have some exciting news and some bonus tokens that I will share with you guys that are actually good buys, especially in this moment in time with everything happening. I have to make it clear, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're looking for financial advice, you have to go to some kind of a professional. But I will be sharing exactly what I'm doing because I just love to share, guys, okay? And it feels like it's time to make money again. Dogecoin. If you made some money on that Doge, destroy the like button. Doge to the moon. Elon been pumping it. And a lot of people actually are anticipating a 50 cents Dogecoin. I'm not too sure about that in this bull market, but definitely we will make some money for sure. So let me start with a couple of announcements out there. Back to the notes. I need to start with some kind of the announcements. We get them out of the way and we get out there. So number one, today is the first day of the month, and it's exactly why I'm making this video, this live stream on this day, because tomorrow is the 2nd of November, and it's a very important day to the bullishness or the bearish case of crypto because the Feds have to make an announcement again. They have to make a call. Are they going to up the interest rate again with another 0.75%? Or are they going to bring it down? The decision that's going to be made tomorrow will definitely shake the market. So you have to be prepared for an absolute catastrophe of volatility, which is good for us traders. That's how we definitely make our money, right? So I'm not scared of it. I look forward to it. More likely, there is speculation that they might bring it down. If they bring it down, that's going to push more momentum in the equity markets and in the crypto markets. But in general, guys, why am I this bullish and this excited in the market that I'm putting a lot of my money right now into crypto is because even the sentiment online, in the news, or the whales has now changed. Everybody was talking about bearish case. Now everybody's talking bullish now. Even the stock market guys and the equities are talking bullish. And you can see this is a Bitcoin chart. You can literally see it, guys. Last month was green after 2 months out of 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 7 months. We have now seen a green month, which means the bulls are taking over. Most importantly, institutional investors are calling for a bullish case for crypto. So let's watch this together and you guys can let me know what you think, of course.
I got two different stories. So and they're the closest to it in the sense that they spend so much time. We had an opportunity 48 hours ago to have the bill go to markup. I'm talking about the Stablecoin Transparency Act. It didn't. That's negative. I know Jeremy's optimistic that it can get there in October. I hope he's right. We have a bit of a distraction, midnight November 8th. We don't know if the House will flip or what's going to happen with the Senate. It's a coin toss. Maybe this policy has to happen after the midterms. But the whole investment premise of investing now is that you feel, and I'm now speaking, categorically, I've put money in harm's way in crypto across now almost 50 projects and continuing to do so every week because I'm in the camp that says in the next 12 months, something's going to break on policy. I think it's going to be the Stablecoin Transparency Act first. But that in itself should open the floodgates, because if you ask a big, let's just take a big Middle Eastern bank, I don't have to name the names, but they've got 5 million accounts with over $2 million in each one. And they want to just have access to a stable coin, Bitcoin, and one chain. And they want to offer that to their clients. They won't do that until there's regulation.
There's no compliance infrastructure at the moment.
So, guys, that's part of the deal that I'm excited about. So this guy, basically what he's saying is that there is a big problem in the macrofinance where money is harder to move. And with all the, the SWIFT system, how it works, and all the political entanglement that's going on right now, there's a need for a stablecoin. So this is Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Reilly. He invested in Circle. Circle is a company behind USDC. And he's like, look, we have been knocking through the doors of regulators. Why don't they allow for a stablecoin through the Transparency Act to actually allow these things to happen? And they were waiting for this to happen in October. It didn't happen. Now we're in November. And they're still waiting. Whether it happens or not, he's speculating that something in the regulatory framework is going to break, it's going to happen. End of the story is that something is going to happen, guys. Something is going to happen, and it's going to push the markets up and up again. It's gonna take one little thing to happen for the cascading effect to start going up. So if you understand what he said, he made it clear that what he has invested already in 50 plus different coins, 50 coins. And he's still investing in different new ones each and every week because he's betting himself onto so many of them. And then a few of them might make extremely well, and then he ends up making a lot of money. So in this current market, what you want to do is to basically sit on a lot of positions on a wide range of altcoins. And then if the market pump, you start exiting. So in this video, that's what I'm about to show you guys. I will start with my own favorite coin that I've been talking about it. Litecoin. Litecoin is going to happen, guys. You might disagree with me, but we can look at the technicals. So I am I will list 5 coins with you guys. Much of them I've already posted them in the Discord group, in the Discord channel. But on this live stream, I will share 5 coins that I'm going all in on because I can simply double my money on them as long as the market keeps on continuing with what is being speculated on at the moment. So quickly, on the other side, the competition, the trading competition is still going on. Okay, there are 2 trading competitions going on right now. There's one happening on Bybit. If you want to join that, it's like a 24-hour competition. And there is $5,000 in bonuses. And this one is easy to win. It's running from the 31st of October to the 9th of November. You can join in. I'll put the link in the description in here. If you don't have a Bybit account, sign up with my link in the description below. The number two competition is happening on OKX. Link also I will share in the description. Easy money. Basically, you just have to trade. Do your own trade that you do, but you have to make sure you register for these competitions. If you have the highest ROI or you have the highest volume, you actually might win some money. So, if you're trading anyway, it helps for you to actually just take advantage of all this. To sign up on all these platforms, link is in the description. All right, so moving on with what's going on with the sentiment. I'm going on Litecoin at the moment, guys. Check this out. This is undeniably bullish. This is a monthly chart for Litecoin. All right. If you think about it, all these months have been basically just on the downward spiral for Litecoin. And if you even zoom it all the way out, we are pretty much at the sweetest part of point of control, which means this is the best support level Litecoin could find itself at. We just bounced off a little bit, but nothing much is happening. And what's more interesting is that the volatility level has sort of decreased. You might be looking at these candles and say, oh, but that is a lot of volatility. No, these are monthly candles. If I switch this to like a daily, like this, you will see that it's just been pretty flat for Litecoin. Check that out. All right. And right now, we're starting to see a little bit of a lift off. It's a lift off, guys. Lift off. Lift off. You know that song, the Beyonce song? It's a lift off. So we can see that there's a lift off coming up here on Litecoin, and nobody can convince me otherwise. The downside here is a little bit lower if you consider it, but on the point of control in the long term, it has already broken it above. So we're basically sitting on an upward channel on Litecoin, which makes me actually, I'm going to throw $5,000 on this live stream where you guys watch on Litecoin. If we double this money, we'll put a sell order when we double the money. If we make this money, I will give half of it away here on the live stream. So let's just put the trade together. This is what we're doing. Litecoin, we said, okay. We're entering at 54 bucks. For the sake of simplicity, I will put the take profit at $100. All right. So I'm putting in from here. I've been buying a lot of Litecoin already, but this is for the stream. This is for you guys. Okay, so at $100, it's where we're gonna be taking our profit. You never still want to be complacent. I will still put my stop loss somewhere there, just to make sure. $50. Yeah, there's a green line here at $50. So you have seen me doing it. Okay, we'll keep on watching this trade, and I will go on Bybit right now, and I will make a purchase of my Litecoin, LTC USDT. We're buying at $54.95. Buy, man. I'll bid for $54.95, and I want to spend about $5,000. Yeah, $5,000 worth of Litecoin on the live stream. This is for you guys. If we double this money, I'm giving it all away, okay? So let's wait for it to fail so that we can go ahead and put our take profit and stop loss. Anyway, so that's it. Number one is Litecoin that I think, we've also considered this. When the news about Litecoin to go up because of the... you guys already know Litecoin is going to have the halving, right? The halving event is coming soon next year in 2023. All that news is going to start looming. And when it starts looming, you start to see a lot of pump going on. All right. Somebody said gunshot. Okay. Let me smash it. Boom. Okay. Alicia is watching from the Netherlands. What's going on out there in the Deutschland? That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Okay. Okay. So I will go to the other coins right now. Yeah. Drop the W, guys. If you like the live stream, destroy the like button and drop the W in the chat. I love it. It's all about the W's here, guys. Okay. So the next coin that we're gonna look at is Moonbeam. Moonbeam. Oh. I tried to buy Litecoin and immediately it's going up. What's going on? It's not allowing me to even enter the position. Screw it. We might just have to do it at market price, guys. Let's just do it market. Okay, there's more than enough liquidity on Bybit, so don't worry about market at all. You will be fine. And it's 0 fees right now if you're trading spot, right? So boom, we bought the Litecoin. And let's put our sell order immediately. Okay. We're gonna sell everything at $100 basically. Or actually, let's just do it at spot. So sell all the Litecoin at $100. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's gonna be fantastic. We'll double our money in no time. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here just to flow around and to do what it does. Okay, so now I'm jumping on to the next coin, guys. It's going to be Moonbeam. 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 Hey. Okay. So Moonbeam is part of the, it's kind of a cross-chain solution, but mainly part of the, it's a project that's built on top of the, what am I talking about? It's a, what is that coin again? Why am I forgetting? Polkadot. It's a Polkadot project, but it's cross-chain solution, really big. The trading volume is still good, even in the bear market. We're looking at 10 million in the last 24 hours. By the way, if you want to buy Litecoin like I did, I bought it on Bybit, so you can sign up. Link is in the description. I bought Litecoin. It's already pumping. This is what I like to see. Huh? $55. All right, so we're out here. Moonbeam, if you guys want to see it clearly, it's GLMR. It has a weird ticker. But basically, if you look at this token on TradingView, you will be able to understand, my friend, that it's a full send. This token is meant to happen as well. Okay, now check this out. This is... Oh, it looks like somebody made some money on the squared ETH because he's celebrating that he made money. We're gonna look at that just now. Let me just show you guys where this is going because it's a good move. Okay, so Moonbeam has been moving like this for the last few months. Okay, if I switch this to a monthly, you will see that it's a shocker. Check that out. This coin is literally at the very bottom, lower than when it started before. And the last candle was green, which means that it's adding up new volume, sort of recovering from its downtrend. And we're seeing it now or starting to accumulate a little bit of green volume right now in the new month. So it tested already a high in the last candle, which was the last month, but now it's just starting to recover again. So remember, the whole game, guys, when it comes to making money in altcoins, is that you want to get things when while they're cold. Okay? Right now, everybody's still concerned about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is over. When I say it's over, I just mean that it's more difficult for you to make money in it right now because everybody got in and they made money. It's time to sell right now. It's more likely going to be going down. So you don't want to touch it. You want to touch it when nobody else is touching the coin. Okay, so you look at things like this when nobody's talking about Moonbeam or nothing is happening. You might buy it, but nothing might happen. But when it starts off, that's when you make 100% in one day, guys. Okay, so this is the plan. I'm buying Moonbeam. Where can you buy it? You can buy it on Bybit. You can buy it on OKX. Links are down in the description as well. It's completely flattened out, and I do see a lot. I see a lot of upward momentum here coming in. All right. This is going to happen very soon, guys. As long as Bitcoin keeps up, in which a lot of people also don't know this. If I go to the Bitcoin chart with you, let's do this. So this is what? Okay, this is the Bitcoin US dollar index. Bitcoin is bullish, of course, but I want to have a look at BTC USDT. But differently, I want to look at it like this. On a monthly chart, you'll be able to see that on a monthly, Bitcoin has just been having raid and raid and raid. Only last month, we have seen a green candle. We have seen a green candle last month right here, massive volumes returning. This means the bulls are returning. As long as this keeps up, guys, all the other altcoins are also going to be pumping. And that's why we're going hard on Moonbeam as well. Okay, what is the next coin that I'm looking to buy, that I'm buying already, a lot of them. Some of them I'm putting orders still, waiting for them to fill. The next one is Filecoin. Filecoin is the next one that I'm thinking that I should be accumulating a little bit more because it's also starting to look up. All right, now, this is more important actually. Besides that, this is more likely to generate a U shape by creating new swing highs and even hitting the next. By the time it hits the point of resistance, we'll already be in the money. But if you pay attention to this signal, you can see that the nitrous bull has called it bullish already before it happened. Check it out. It called it bullish right here, and it has already confirmed. So, the signal has gone right. Like, yo, green, go in, drive through. And all you need to do now is to execute the trade. So what I have done, I've just really bought Filecoin based on the nitrous bull indicator, and we'll see how that goes. But I can see the volumes here a little bit choppy, a little bit, but the momentum is there. And this coin is also extremely, extremely oversold. Even if you look at the data on CoinGecko, you will be able to see and understand what I'm talking about. There are a couple of areas you can take profit. All right. So you can simply use the Fibonacci retracement, the extension, or you can simply use the nitrous bull dots. It kind of draws the best areas of resistance where you can take profit in the red line at the top, or if it's green, it means it's a point of support. So, just from where it's at now, the next point of resistance is more likely going to be around $9.77, which is an 81.51%. I think that's a full send, guys. I think it's a full freaking send. I've bought in Filecoin already, and I'm just waiting for the paycheck for the day to come. For me personally, I'm more looking for to double my money at the moment on all these trades that I'm taking. So I'm not looking for 1,000x yet, because this is a mini bull market if it actually executes. But I'm looking to double my money. So I'm buying coins that will potentially double my dough. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do. So a lot of people in the chat are thanking me for open ETH right now, right? Or squared ETH. So let's see. For open. Yo! Oh, God damn it. We killed it, guys. I haven't even checked mine to even sell. Check that out. We made so much money on this coin already. All right. In the last 14 days, 38% return. In the last 7 days, 36%. And I told you guys, this coin was a full send and it was going to happen. All right. So that's what we do on this channel, guys. If you appreciate winning and making money like this, destroy the like button. And I will make a gunshot sound for everybody who has made a killing on this one. Yeah. You already know the deal. You already know the deal, guys. Woo. Again, I didn't hear that. Fantastic. Okay, so shout out to everybody who's winning out there. Just make sure that you share the love. Tell other people about Crypto University. That's where you learn how to trade and invest. Tell other people about Crypto Hustle. That's what happens if you're part of this channel. And the next coin that I will look at, the next channel that I will look at now is going to be, this might shock some people, but I will explain why I am bullish on this one. So the next coin is Algorand. Okay? As you can see, Algorand has also just printed buy or bull on the nitrous bull at the moment, which is already a good signal. Besides, guys, if you remember what I said before, when I was doing a live stream where we were buying those FIFA 2012. FIFA 2022 World Cup, and I told you that Algorand is more likely going to pump in this season simply because of the NFT activity on their blockchain. And the World Cup is starting in, I think, this month sometime, on the 18th or something like that. Because of that, you're going to see this coin starting to take off, especially when the NFTs start becoming popular again. So I'm looking at Algorand. All right, I'm looking at Algorand, but also I'm looking at Chiliz. CH Said, Chiliz. It's another cryptocurrency. and it has a lot of to do with it's kind of it's where a lot of big soccer teams build their fan tokens, right? And you guys know about this project already, so there's no big news to worry about. But I do think both of them are going to do really, really well through the month of November towards December as well, as long as Bitcoin keeps up. That's the only thing we have to pray for. And I'm also bullish on this one. It has sort of done some moves already lately, you know, a little bit of a move right here, but it still has a long way to go. Even just looking at this chart already, the next point of resistance already, it looks like it's approaching, which is 25 cents. And the next one is going to be around 28 all the way to 29 and on, going to the moon, right? So I think this is a good time. This is more of a fundamental strategic buy. And I am bullish on it simply because I think it's a good buy and the World Cup is coming. So those two, you can look into them, Algorand and Chili's, of course. Monty says, can I buy it on Binance app? Yes, you can buy it on Binance. You can buy it on Bybit. You can buy it on OKX as well. Where can you buy Open? You can buy Open on Uniswap, basically. Uniswap is where you can buy it. If you don't know how to use Uniswap, I have, or any other DEXs, I have a tutorial made on this channel, but also you can learn all this stuff in Crypto University. Our courses will teach you how to do all that stuff. Because a lot of people know how to make money from only centralized exchanges, Binance, Bybit, and all that. But the best opportunities are the coins that you buy before they even get listed on Binance. So Open is exactly one of those coins where you find it on an off-chain market. On-chain market, not on a sex exchange. All right, so the next project that I will share with you guys also on this one is Telos. So Telos is gonna fly. It's also one of those extremely oversold projects. There we go. Extremely, it always gets oversold, this one. I don't know why. Telos gets extremely oversold. And if we go here and we actually analyze it, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Check this out. So it's at 15 cents at the moment. 24-hour trading volume only on $1.2 million, even though this coin has a lot of volume, a huge community going on. It's minus 89% in the last 9 months, and currently it hasn't moved one bit. In the last 24 hours, the last hour it's 0%, the last 24 hours 0%, basically no movement. It means that traders have not swing their head towards this coin and say, this one has been dead for a while, let's buy it. And you can look at it on the 1 hour, 24 hour, 7 days, 14 days, 15.2. This is even in the 30 days, minus 15.2. So no green, even though a lot of coins have been going up. You don't want to trade $200,000 on this coin because of the volume problem, but you can trade a couple of $1,000s on it. Up to, I would say, 50,000. It's safe. So this is something to consider. It's down bad. And even if I go back to the trading view and actually review it, you can see, guys, that this is a nutcase kind of coin. It's completely sold out. It's completely sold out. Oversold, guys. 1 month, check it out. Completely decimated. It's even worse than all the other coins that we have looked at, maybe except for Moonbeam. All right? It's running on a negative. Okay? So this is something that I have bought a lot, and I think if it starts pumping, it confirms my prediction, especially after breaking the point of control here on the monthly. I will even go hard on it. So it's one of those things, guys. You buy and you just sit down and keep quiet because you know what you're doing. All it needs to do is basically to flip around and start going up. Yeah, so the coin is Telos. TLOS is the ticker. I'm just going to zoom it in because I don't want anybody to make mistakes out there. This is it. This is it, guys. Fantastic project, I think. Well, the project I think is shit, but it's a fantastic coin to trade and make money on. So the game that I'm playing, again, I'm looking for things that are completely dead and not hot. And I am now finding those and buying them like crazy. Okay, I think we have a spammer in the chat. Let me kick him out quick. By the way, RIP to take off from Migos, who just passed away. It's very unfortunate. Life sucks sometimes. May God keep him safe, and also God bless his family. It's very unfortunate to see that, man. Very sad. Okay, I'm trying to remove this scammer in the chat. Okay, so if you want to, somebody is asking here, I registered on Crypto University, but I've not been able to access it. Okay, so I'll try to help you. Message me in Discord in the general and just say, hey, I need Nitrous Boo access, whatever. I'll be able to help you. Or you can open a ticket in the Discord. We have a ticket system. And if you want to buy the Nitrous Boo yourself, anyone out there, you can find it here at cryptouniversity.network. It's a good indicator, simplifies your trading life by following buy and sell signals without having to do any complicated technical analysis at all. And we have a package of multiple other indicators that comes as a package. You can buy it all at once. You only pay once, you buy it here, you get all these indicators. Trend momentum, EMA, visual assistance, and the Nitrous Boo itself. All of this in one place. All right. Okay, so what's the next thing that I want to show you guys? What's the other coin? Let's get back to the chart. Okay, so the last one that I wanted to show you is this. GMT. GMT, even though stepping is kind of dead, but this project has an incredible community. In fact, the best coin to buy would be GST, which is also part of the same project. But the problem is with GST is that it doesn't even have any volume. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the green Satoshi token, currently it has a total trading volume of $427,000 in 24 hours. That is kind of scary if you think about it. So I avoided this, and instead I will be trading the GMT token. I trade with quite a huge amount of money, so I care much about volume. But if you're trading with, let's say, less than $10,000, I would say, it's okay. You can play around with this and buy it because it also has a huge... it's just like another coin like Luna, where it's not worth anything anymore. And they just manipulate it because of the community that it has. When it pumps, people make noise, and then it attracts more buyers. So you could buy it, but make sure you limit the amount of money you spend on it. You can also see the sort of analysis in the last couple of days. It's not looking that good, which makes it interesting to buy. It's on the Solana blockchain, this one. But what I'm more interested in is this one, GMT. It is the main token, the main token in the STEPN gaming ecosystem. Okay, it's the official STEPN coin itself. So it also has a huge community, and if you look at the up to 30 days analysis, nothing special has happened. And with this one, I am also buying, but not as aggressive, but I am putting a little bit of money onto it. All right, I'm gonna leave you with a bonus token that you could also buy, but maybe I didn't show you the GMT on STEPN, how it looks like on the daily. I'll answer your questions, by the way, guys. So after we're done here, I can look into all the questions. So what's exciting about the STEPN thing for me is that it's creating this upward momentum here. A U-shape is being designed as we speak. So you can see it has been down bad here, basically complete catastrophe. And it just recovered from that. And recently we have seen sort of a an upward momentum and trend that's growing on the daily. For the last few days, we've seen green and green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of green pumping. And you can see the swing highs here attempting to hit the 59 cents, which is the nearest point of resistance. If we break out there, the next one is 64 cents, and then beyond and beyond. So I think there is a little bit of money to be made up to this point, roughly, right? So for a lot of these coins, if I don't want to commit a huge amount of money, what I'm doing, I'm taking a long position, derivatives, and putting a small leverage, like 3x or 5x maximum, to make sure, because it's a slow process, right? But if I believe in so much like Litecoin, where I literally can see it coming soon, I'm going all in. But it's not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. All right. Aaron says, "Oh, I missed out on stepping. Got it for free from Binance, but I sold it." Well, you did the right thing because it crashed since then. So you can probably buy it back at a cheaper price. Okay. Last token, which is a bonus, is NEO. Okay. Destroy the like button if you like the bonus. If you like the bonus token. If we get 100 likes right now as we watch, I will drop another bonus token. Destroy the like button. Let's count. Let's see how many likes we're going to get now. Because we have more people watching, not enough likes. Destroy the like button, guys. We hit 100, I will drop another one. Another one, like DJ Khaled. All right. So this is the plan. NEO is a very old coin. You can check out the volumes are good and everything. NEO and the metrics. NEO $8, as you can see. In the last 30 days, no movement whatsoever, making it super sexy for a real buy. And the volumes right now are still good. NEO is a $36 million tokens in 24 hours. Much of the volume is coming out of China, which obviously is expected. But I do see a future of NEO coming and creating a bullish situation for us. So if I look at the chart for NEO, there's nothing that I'm not convinced here. You can look at all the indicators you want, whether the traditional indicators, MACD and all that. Even in the MACD, you can definitely see that is already gone bullish. The MACD line is above. When it comes to the RSI, it's in the mid-range around the 50-ish level. And right now, the Nitrous Bull has also called it bullish already. And if I switch to the 1 month, you will be able to see that we're down bad also on this one. All these coins I'm telling you today, guys, are all down bad. And we are at a sweet spot of support system of this coin. Exactly on the support. We're back at 2018 prices, guys. 2018 prices. All right. So if that's the case, I'm like, well, how low can it really go? That's why in 1 month it has managed to stay flat completely. Same with Litecoin, not much movement. And on the daily, it has printed the bullish chart. And you have known that every time it prints a bullish situation here, at least on the previous bull, it went on for months. 1, 2, 3, straight green. And right now, I'm telling you guys, when you're buying it, you will probably be buying it at these prices, like me. It's completely down. By the time it becomes popular, everybody say, oh, what about NEO? NEO. We'll be like, oh, bro, we're selling that. We have already made 4x our money. All right. So that's the bonus that I had for you guys. It's fantastic. Well, what's going on with Litecoin? Litecoin. Why are you giving me some too much excitement, Litecoin? I think we're going to kill it on Litecoin, guys. I really believe the Litecoin is going somewhere. Something is going to happen. Like Kevin O'Reilly said, something is going to happen. Anyway, let's look at the comments because you guys are that awesome. And then we can talk about everything else. All right. So, Crypto University is open right now, especially mentorships. I'm now open for mentorship. I will put a link down in the description after the stream. If you want to be mentored by me and the other professors at Crypto University, we have now a mentorship program open. But it's not for everybody. It's you have to apply and we have to approve you first. So be sure to apply if you're interested in that, because I think there is a case there for a lot of mentorship for 3 months that you can be part of, but we're going to limit it to a few spots. So check out the link in the description that I will post for mentorship if you want to be mentored by me, and you can apply. I can review your application, and if you fit in, then I will let you in. A lot of you guys have been asking for that, so the floodgates have now been open. All right. Sure. So Ambrose is asking if I bought LTC on spot. Yes, I bought at spot here. MK is saying, what about Aptos? Aptos is back at $8 today. I saw it. But I do not, Aptos is kind of, if you look at the APYs in the DeFi market for Aptos, you have like 60% plus APY. Usually that's a sign for a downward movement, because they do that to attract more buyers so that they can get dumped on, right? So it's just so scary right now to jump into it. If you didn't buy in early, I don't think you should probably do it now. I'm not saying it's not going to pump, but personally, I'm short on it. Just like on Dogecoin, I know it's good, it's going well, but right now, Aptos on the Nitrous Bull, it has gone already bearish on the on Nitrous Bull indicator. And if I switch on the 1 day, it looks okay. Seems like it's having some recovery here going on. I'm not too sure if it's going to go past $10 again, or even just retest the $10. I'm not too sure. It could happen, but it's just more risky. So I'm not touching anything that is in that territory. I would rather prefer things that I've been mentioning on this live stream where it's completely down. I'm not guessing myself like, oh, is it going to happen? Is it too late? No. I would rather stay away from this. I have a short position on it. I have a short position on Dogecoin, which currently is at a loss. But you have to be patient. It's not like you put a trade today and then you sit down and it's going to work. No. I know what I'm doing. Those trades to me will make money. They will win. However, I will go on OKX now. By the way, I've been testing the bots on OKX. I've been running the test, and I have one more day to run it. And then after that, I will have the conclusion, and I will make a video showing you guys the results of this experiment. So make sure you subscribe and you click the bell button to stick around. But I want to buy. I will trade on. I actually have to do a perpetual swap on this one. So I want to trade NEO on OKX. And by the way, all these coins that I've been telling you guys, you can use them to enter the competition. You can enter the competition on Bybit, trade some coins on Bybit, some of them on OKX, because both of these platforms have a trading competition going on, and you can win money by doing it. So here's NEO USDT. Okay. I will open a small position here. Okay. Okay. All right. So with NEO, I will open a small position. I'll open a small position on NEO. And I'll go in with like, I don't know why it opened something else when I want the perpetual swaps. Please, is Shiba Inu dead? Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. Shiba family, where you at? Destroy the like button. You already know the deal. Okay, let me just get into this trade quickly, and then we can talk about Shiba. So I'm entering a $7,000 position on a long position on what we call NEO token. I'm going in, guys. Okay. And just to demonstrate good discipline here, because some people just copy what other people do, I will be a little bit more, I should be a little bit more cautious about it. What the hell is going on here? So NEO is currently at $8.4, which is when I'm entering. Wait, NEO is not in perpetual? Okay, got it. Okay, this seems like it. Okay, so NEO is at $8, and I will enter at, I can enter right now, it's okay, 8.42, amount in NEO at 3x leverage. I'm just a shower in my tattoo. So the top movers on the perpetual swaps, it seems like it's Mask and Aptos and Dogecoin. Wow, that's crazy. I'm trying to think if I should go in with 60% of my money or I should go in with 50%. How can we take advantage of new listings, new listing coins? Brenda, that's a very good question. Welcome to the last stream. I'll explain to you that just now. Okay, I'm going to put 7K on NEO at 3x. $7,000 at 3x looks good. My take profit, I'll put it at, let's look what makes sense here. Okay, so there's Nitrous Bull says 9.81. I'm just going to go a little bit lower than that at the bottom of these three candles. These 3 weeks here, I think there was a drawdown here, and that's 9.66. So that's where I'm going to put mine, my TP, 9.66. And stop loss could be okay, what is this? Okay, let's do it for hour. Need to see what makes sense here, guys. We don't want to lose no money. Okay. It's a scalp trade, or you're taking a NEO USD. Oh, it's a long trade. It's not a scalp trade. It's a swing. But I have 3x leverage. Am I going against the Nitrous Bull on NEO? Well, kind of. On the daily, it's still bullish, by the way. So this is a swing trade. I'm looking at the bullishness of it. I know it might also turn bearish because the 4-hour has gone down, but I'm looking at this more from a fundamental perspective that it's completely oversold and there's not too much drawdown to go down to, right? So the next level of support is like 8.10. I could try to leave my 8.1, my stop loss somewhere there, and I will go in. Okay, the order is open. $7,000 on NEO times 3, that's $21,000, guys. So, inshallah, let's see how that's going to work out. But I'm pretty confident about NEO, so I'm not really stressed about it. All right, so let's look at the comments. Come on, comments. So this trade is gonna make part of the competition, by the way, on OKX, which is great also. CM the Well said, okay, I wanted to understand how you do. Can be able to do it someday ourselves. Yeah, absolutely. That's why I like to share, guys, so that we can all make money together. Okay. But just remember, it's never financial advice. I always share what I do, and most of the time it works for me. I mean, I make money trading, so it's all good. If you don't have any of the platforms that I'm using to trade here, make sure you sign up with the links in the description. OKX, the link is down in the description. Bybit, link is in the description as well. Both of them have competitions going on, which you can also participate for free. You just have to register. Links are also put in the description. Alrighty, so let's get to it. Between a project with a big community, this is a question that Texa is asking. Between a project with a big community but less utility, or a project with high utility but less in terms of community, which one would you choose for long-term investment? Easy. I would choose the one with high utility but less in terms of community. Because when you're investing in value, something that has product market fit, that you can buy today, and you know that in the future it's going to be worth more because people are going to want it. It doesn't matter whether the community is there or not. Like a project like Open that we just discussed, we made money on it, right? This project, it's a good project. Not many people know about it, but as you see, we made a lot of money on it already. 37% in the last 7 days, because more and more people are starting to use the platform, and then they need the token, so they buy. That's just how it works. Another one, you can also think of it this way. Community is value also. It just depends. Like Dogecoin, for example, is a community-driven project. It can always be, the community-based projects, they always have big highs and big lows. So they make good trading. You can trade them easily and make money. Dogecoin pumps, you're long, you make money. Crash, the same. Do you find these altcoins you're trading on derivatives? Yes. If you want to find more derivatives, get on Bybit, get on OKX. You'll find most of these coins on derivatives. If you don't find them, you can borrow them. So if you're trying to short a coin that is not available in the perpetual contracts, you can simply borrow the coin on DeFi, or even on CeFi, on Binance or OKX or something, and then you can buy it back. Aaron says, I'm holding Open. Is that a good thing? What you can do now is that since you have made money on it, 37%, you can withdraw your the profit you have made, or your capital, and you leave the rest in there as an investment. Or you can wait until you make a little bit more money, because I'm not selling now on this one. I'm still holding. Destroy the like button, guys. Destroy the like button. Destroy the like button. Destroy. This is for you. Woo! Any BitDAO and Matic analysis, both on short term, long term? BitDAO has been beaten down recently, so I'm just buying massively at the moment. I'm not worried about it. I have a long position on it from 50 cents all the way. My take profit is around 70 cents. My take profit on that is 70 cents, the first one, and then all the way to $1 and more. Matic is definitely a buy. You should be holding Matic, because when it starts pumping, I've said this before on Twitter, if it starts pumping, it's gonna be incredible. I do share a lot on my Twitter account. And some of you guys are not following me on Twitter. You're making a huge mistake. It's huge. Everybody's following me now on Twitter, including the billionaires. Sam Bankman-Fried, from CZ is following me. Sam SBF from FTX is following me. You can check it out here. You're the only one, guys. If a billionaire is following me, who are you not to follow Gray BTC? Think about it, guys. Think about it. Destroy the like button. Because they know that I am the signal king. I know what's going on with the altcoins. and I'm helping a lot of people to make money. So all these guys know the deal. So you better follow me on Twitter. You better follow me on TikTok. You better follow me on Instagram, everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Okay, which is easy to predict? A dump or a pump? Definitely a dump is easy to predict, bro. Like Dogecoin, I mean, it's just a recipe for disaster at the moment. 130% in the last few days. You know it's gonna crash. You just don't know when exactly it's gonna happen. So you might take a couple of shorts and then you realize that, oh, it keeps on going up because they know that it's low hanging fruit. All right. They're like, oh, let's not tell them. Let's pump it because a lot of people are short. We liquidate them and we pump it down. We dump it down. It happens. But like Dogecoin, you know that we're going to make money on the short. It just depends where your liquidation price is. That's all what matters. So if your liquidation price is deep enough or your risk management is good where you're getting stop losses tight, and if it gets invalidated, you let the trade go, you forget about it, you re-enter at a certain position, then you will make money. You keep trying that until it works out. Because tomorrow might be a big day for crypto. If the Fed came and say, we're still raising rates. Let's say they would come with another 0.75 basis points. Bitcoin and the crypto market is going to get shaken off, including Dogecoin and all the others. So tomorrow actually might be a bloody day. It would be wiser for me to actually take some of those long positions tomorrow, after tomorrow when we know what's going on. But, I can take the risk also because if I enter early on those positions, I make more money. One thing also that I wanted to show you guys is, what was it? Okay, so I will leave you guys with this. Another bonus. Since you watched this session all the way to the end, I'll leave you with another one. This is Morpheus Network. This project is doing really well. It has done a lot of partnerships with companies like Meta or Facebook and many others. And it's just growing in popularity right now. It has done pretty well in the last 30 days. And I think it has a lot more way to go in terms of crashing. So you can find the markets are here. You can trade it on different markets. There's currently no perpetuals. It's only available on spot, but you can trade it on margin as well. You can do like a margin short, at, which is maximum 3x in certain exchanges. All right. So it's available on KuCoin. Link to KuCoin is down in the description. It's also available on Uniswap if you're a DeFi guy. It's also available on Bittrex. Currently, there is no futures, so you can rely on borrowing and lending if you can find it elsewhere. So this is a good coin to pay attention to and find a way of how you can trade it. All right. But I just wanted to share with you guys. I don't think the pump is done yet for this coin, but it will go through a little bit of retracement and we have to find a way to take advantage of it. So I will be sharing the strategy of how I'm going to do it in Discord. So make sure you join the Discord. Link is down in the description. Yeah, the Fed could simply, I don't think they can take it completed with bloody days, but because markets are trading based on the idea of the future, if they start reversing back, let's say if they take the pedal down the interest rate and say, oh, now we're only doing 0.25% or 0.5, it will give the market an idea that, oh, the Fed is starting to reverse on the hikes. That is bullish for everything else. Because they'll be like, oh, maybe on the next one, they'll even take it down more. So the market start to react. If they keep raising, well, the market might tumble a little bit red, expecting now on the next Fed meeting to expect maybe that's going to make a difference. So tomorrow is a big day. We have to really pay attention to it. I will try to stream tomorrow if I can, but I cannot promise anything on it. Okay? A lot of you guys are missing a lot of games simply because you're not in Discord. So I cannot recommend you enough to join the Discord channel. Link is in the description. Simon says, what's your take on Fantom? Fantom, let's look. I haven't really looked into Fantom in a while. Yo, guys, we bought Litecoin and we're already in profits because baby Lighty is already pumping. Litecoin. Litecoin pumping already, baby. We don't stop, we can't stop. But the question is specifically, Neo is also kind of doing its thing. But the question today that you're asking is about FTM. Let's look. It also has a huge community. Oh, wow. It's bullish on the natural spool already. Good sign. Good sign. Good sign. Okay, it looks good actually. So I haven't bought it myself, but I wouldn't blame you if you do. Oh, actually, it looks really good. Fantom looks really good. From a trading perspective, that is, not from an investment perspective. I just have to make that clear. Okay. I think this is a breakout actually. So Fantom just broke out. Thank you for mentioning it. Might actually open a position on this one as well, but I have to do a little bit more TL on it and also look at the news around it, what's going on. But it really looks like a full send. Good upswings here on the last two candles and a complete breakout, decimating the point of control. And the MACD is already bullish. Oh my gosh, this coin is definitely gonna pump. Oh my gosh, look at the RSI is already in bullish territory. RSI currently standing at 63. How more do you want? What more do you want? Fantom is a full send. All right. Is it wise to take some profit on Dogecoin now? 100%. My man Quinn says, my man Q says, join Crypto University. You are absolutely right, brother. Everybody watching this, join Crypto University. It will save your life. If you want to change your financial life and learn how to make money with cryptocurrency, join Crypto University. Link is down in the description below. Love you guys. I'll see you on the moon. Somebody's asking about Shiba Inu. I'm preparing a video for Shiba Inu coming in the next few days. So be on the lookout. Be on the cookout. Be on the lookout. We're making trades like a cookout. God damn it. I just rhymed. Peace, guys. Peace and love. Destroy the like button, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm doing another live stream on Crypto University's YouTube channel. I will be doing an NFT. A lot of you guys are not aware of what's happening with the airdrops and stuff on Crypto University. I dropped a video on the Sui airdrop. Please go ahead and find it and make sure you participate in that activity, because if you don't, you might miss out, and I don't want any one of you guys to miss out. So tomorrow I will be going live on the Crypto University YouTube channel where the airdrop videos are being posted. I will go live and talk about, hey guys, and welcome to, so go to this channel and subscribe. It's also available on my channel. You can find it. This channel, go subscribe. Tomorrow I go live and I'll be talking about the best NFT flips towards the FIFA World Cup 2022. There's a lot of NFT activity going on, and if you don't play that game, you might miss out if you're an NFT person. So go out and check out Crypto University, subscribe, and be on the live stream there tomorrow. I'll show you some really good stuff. All right? Peace and love. I'll see you tomorrow.